Welcome back, Healthy Club fans. Ever wake up feeling like you've barely slept? I know that feeling, dragging yourself through the day wondering why you're so tired. Here's the thing, it's not just your schedule or stress. There's a sneaky habit almost everyone does, and it's draining your energy every single morning. Ready for it? It's skipping breakfast, or relying only on coffee to get you going. I used to think, I'm not hungry, I'll just grab a coffee. But here's what really happens. When you skip breakfast or just drink coffee, your blood sugar tanks. That means mood swings, brain fog, and that crashing fatigue by mid-morning. Your body's pretty much running on fumes before you even start your day. But it's such an easy fix. Start your morning with protein and healthy fats. I'm talking eggs, chia pudding, or my personal favorite, an almond butter smoothie. These foods keep your blood sugar steady and actually fuel your brain. You'll notice you're sharper, more balanced, and way less likely to hit that energy wall before lunch. Seriously, try this for just 3 days. See how different you feel. And if you're ready for more, I've got a whole video on foods that help balance your hormones. Watch it now. If you found this helpful, comment below if you're making the switch, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more real-life wellness tips that actually work. Your energy is in your hands. Let's make the most of it.